I found a way people are making money online without showing their face, without making videos, just typing on their phone. I was scrolling on my phone just like everyone else and kept noticing something, the same type of post over and over again. And somehow these people were getting paid. No editing, no content, production, just simple text. And I thought, what am I missing here? Then I saw the pattern. Every single one of them had a link. That's when it clicked. This is not complicated, it's just traffic plus conversion. Think about this. 100 people click, 3 people buy. That's it. $50 product, $150. Small improvements, $200. That's the game. So here exactly what's happening. Right now, there are people using threads to post simple text content and driving traffic to a single link. No funnels, no complicated setup, just consistency. And here's the crazy part. Most of these posts are not even complex. This is the system. You post short attention-grabbing text, people engage and get curious, they click your link, they see an offer, that's it. And if you are thinking, I don't know what to post, you can use ChatGPT. Generate hooks like the uncomfortable truth about making money online, or most people never figure this out, or if I had to start from zero, simple and effective. The real advantage, volume, 10 to 20 posts per day, because the more you post, the more chances you create. Now, the link, that's where everything happens. You can use Gumroll or beacons. Just keep it simple. Send people directly to an offer. No product, no problem. You can sell digital products, use resale rights, or promote existing offers. You just need to create content, drive traffic to your affiliate link, and have sales. That's the loop. And right now, Threads is still early, less competition, more reach. Look, you don't need to overcomplicate this. You can do this from your phone while you're working, while traveling, just staying consistent. Try it, keep it simple, and see what happens. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.